In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide subtasks in Google Tasks. Let's set expectations right away. Google Tasks doesn't currently offer a true hide or collapse button for subtasks. Unlike some task managers that let you click a tiny arrow to fold a list up, Google Tasks automatically shows subtasks under their main task, slightly indented, and there's no built-in expand or collapse control. That said, there are a few simple workarounds that can help your main list feel cleaner and less overwhelming while still keeping your subtasks close at hand. First, try sorting by date. In your list view, look for the sort icon with the up and down arrows and choose date. When you sort this way, the main list prioritizes tasks by their due dates, and subtasks are less prominent or may not appear as clearly in the main feed. This doesn't delete anything or truly hide subtasks, but it shifts the focus to what's due next and reduces the visual clutter. Keep in mind, if your subtasks have their own due dates, they may still surface. If you're trying to keep subtasks out of the way, consider assigning dates to the main tasks and leaving most subtasks undated so they stay tucked behind the parent task. Next, mark subtasks as complete when you finish them. Checking off a subtask moves it to the completed area or visually de-emphasizes it beneath the task, which can dramatically clean up what you see day to day. This is especially helpful on multi-step projects where you've already made progress and don't need to keep revisiting what's done. And if you change your mind, you can always open the task later and uncheck a completed subtask to bring it back. Finally, open subtasks only when you need them. Tap a main task to view its details, and you'll see the subtasks inside that detail, pane, or screen. Think of the main list as your dashboard, and the task details as a drawer you open when you're ready to work. By keeping the focus on the main list and only diving into subtasks when it's time to act, your home view stays cleaner and easier to scan. To recap, there isn't an official hide or collapse feature for subtasks in Google Tasks, but sorting by date, completing subtasks as you go, and opening them only when needed can keep your workspace clear and focused. Use these together, and you'll get most of the benefits of a collapsed view without losing the simplicity that makes Google Tasks so quick to use.